What is up, girlies, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Priscilla, aka Precious, and if this is your first time clicking on the channel, I want to welcome you, girlies, here. But if this is not your first time clicking on the channel, I want to welcome you back, girlies. Hopefully you've been drinking your water and minding your business.
Nope.
I want to get lip filler, not because of it makes you look good and your lips look juicy, delicious, but most importantly, I'm doing it because I have a huge concern, and it is a gummy smile. I'm really just hoping to go in and not look like a fish. That was my biggest concern. Another thing was also the migration. I've been seeing a lot of women get lip filler and they've been getting a lot of migration here. And then when they turn to the side, it's like you can see their lips just like protruding. But anyway, I'm done yapping. I will see you girlies when it's about that time for the consultation.
Please don't remind me I need gas. I hate when people park so close to my car. Like, baby, give my car some room, please.
We just went over as far as like what we wanted to focus on. This is my lip injector, CC. So she's gonna be helping me with achieving the look that I want. I'm gonna record everything so you guys can see, and then I'll record the process.
But it's never first. It's never the first time I ever put filler in your lips.
Okay.
You wouldn't like that.
I don't know. It's like I want to focus on height. I want to focus on shape and really just giving like that plump, but not like to the side protrusion. If that makes sense.
That makes 100%. You've done your research, girl.
Because I was looking at like videos of people getting migration after a while.
I'm gonna be the one to tell you no. Like the girl that I've done the 3 syringes in, it's been over 10 months that we've done it. So.
Oh, wow.
I'm being honest, what does it change? Try to navigate fears. No, how do you say it? If you don't show it.
That's crazy. Do y'all see my lips right now? Me talking right now kind of hurts, but it's not like bad where I can't talk. This is a couple of hours after the numbing went down and I can feel my face again. It's just my lips, y'all. I can kind of see like where the bruising is from the lip filler. I really hope I don't wake up tomorrow morning with duck lips, but this is day 1 after getting the lip filler. This is a couple of hours after getting the procedure. Now on to day 2. So this is day 3 of the lip healing process. I have absolutely no bruising, which is insane. I thought I was gonna bruise a lot, but I ended up not bruising as much. I also will say that the only thing that I feel would be like the little swell bumps on my lip, but they don't hurt anymore. Like the first to second day, they were kind of tender, but now they don't even hurt anymore, girl. Like, it's just really like I can feel where the filler was injected in like certain areas on my lip, but other than that, it doesn't hurt, which is good. This is day 3. And they looking gorgeous. I love it already. I am currently at my post-op appointment for today. It's officially been 2 weeks. My lips are healed. They're kind of healed. I mean, I still feel like I see like little bumps where the injections were. But yeah, I just arrived at my appointment. She's gonna go over my lips. She's going to kind of see how the healing process has been. It hasn't been bad. I will say my healing process went pretty quickly. I had 0 bruising, by the way. 0. Zilch.
I'm not sure if I want to talk to Cece and see if I could do a little bit more lip filler. Some of y'all probably like, girl, you don't even need that extra lip filler. I honestly feel like I want to add a little bit more lip filler just for a little bit more plumpness. I guess like right here, like underneath my lip. But we'll see. I'm gonna talk to Cece, see what she thinks about it, and then based off her response, if she's like, your lips look fine, you don't need much, I probably won't do it. But we'll see. We'll see.
So we're actually going to be doing the Gummy Smile Botox. So she's going to put some 2 units, I think she said, 1 here and here. This is just going to help with my gummy smile. So when I smile like this, it doesn't pull like so high up. That's what we're going to do today, and that's about it.
So this is a couple days after coming back from my post-op procedure and also getting the gummy Botox. I do notice a huge difference from last time. So this is me smiling now. Overall experience with getting lip filler was not bad. I can literally say that my lips look amazing. I actually love them. They're very natural, especially after talking to Cece. She did tell me like, girl, I'd highly recommend that you wait to get your braces off if you're looking to do more filler, because I don't want you to overfill and then now we can't take backsies. Also, when it comes down to the gummy Botox, like right here, it didn't hurt. It was just literally right here, and then that was it. Based on my lips now, I'm literally obsessed with my lips. I would definitely give Of Me Spa a 10 out of 10. Very nice when she walked through the door. It did hurt initially when she did the numbing, but after the numbing, everything was like smooth sailing from there. I didn't get any bruising. I only just had like little lumps where I had gotten the filler, but even at my post-op, she just told me to like now kind of massage it in, and ever since then, like my lips, it looks so good and it's super natural. My husband loves it, girl. Obsessed. If you are definitely looking to book with my girl Cece, I will leave all her information down in the description box below and on the screen so you can check my girl out. I hope you girlies enjoyed this video. Definitely comment down below your thoughts on lip filler, or if you had lip filler, your experience on lip filler, pros and cons on lip filler. I would love to hear it. But with that being said, stay crusty. Bye.